my cutest little COMEDK champions. I hope my dearest children are doing absolutely good. So I'm here to let you know about how you should be going ahead with the choice filling process, if at all you are someone who have not started it yet. First of all, listen to me. The timeline, as you know, is very, very critical over here, and basically it's very short as well. Right. So the choice filling for the mock round has officially begun. In their official website, they are saying that 11th July, 4 p.m. it is going to start, but I was able to see that some of you were able to do the choice filling from the morning time onwards itself. But yeah, if at all you are not able to, do not be worried. At 4 p.m. you can try. Okay. So anyway, this video is definitely going to give you an idea about how you should be going ahead with the entire process. And do note, whatever choices you have given, okay, before 13th of July, 4 p.m., it is going to be considered for the mock round. And post that, you are going to get result on the basis of that on 14th of July, 4 p.m. Now, mock round is just a rehearsal round. In the mock allotment result, if at all you are getting a college, does not mean that you will get the same college in the actual round, that is round 1 of counseling. Okay. So if you are getting a college, if you are not getting a college, don't be too happy, don't be too sad as well. The reason being that it's just a rehearsal. You at least have got an idea of how the entire process works. Now you are going to enter into round 1 choice filling from 14th of July to 16th of July. Now if you see the timeline, it's very short for the actual round 1 counseling. You get it? So you have to make sure that whatever list you are going to make it here itself. Keep it ready. After the results for mock allotment, you can just do certain changes, very few changes that is required. Cool. Now I'm going to tell you how you can do the process of choice filling. So let's see that. The schedule I have done in another video. I hope you have watched it. If not, go watch it. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button for getting all the updates. Okay. So the first thing that you have to do is go in COMEDK's website and log in from here. So there's engineering login and there is architecture login. You just have to do engineering login, where you have to fill in your application number, user ID, the password, and then the captcha, and then click on login. There is no OTP, there is nothing like that. So it will be easy. And now I'm coming over here in the form of screenshots, so that it will be easy for me also to explain and for you also to understand. So once you have filled in your details, Baba, you have clicked on login option, right? Now this page is going to come up, where here there are some important notes that is given in front of you to read before you go ahead with the choice filling. And if your documents are being verified, if you come under documents approved category only, then only you will be able to do choice filling. And you will be able to see this extra tab out there, that is choice filling tab. And let's read one by one for this first, and then let's go ahead with the choice filling process. So click on choice filling tab, then click here to view choice filling form. So they have told about the process, the steps that you need to take. Choice filling tab for mock round is available from 11th of July 4 p.m. to 13th of July 4 p.m. Candidates can add as many preferences as they wish as per college and as per course. So whatever you want to put in there, you can do that. There is no limited number or only 50 is allowed. No, you can put as many as you want. Okay, but put only the ones where you are actually interested to go. Okay. Now, candidates can modify their colleges or courses selected any number of times. So, suppose today, 11th of July, you are making a list. Tomorrow, 12th of July, you want to make changes in the list. Is it possible? Yes. Day after tomorrow, 13th of July, can I make changes? Yes, but only until 4 p.m., not beyond that. So, the last changes that you have done, that is going to be considered. Okay. And only the saved preferences will be considered. So obviously this part you are going to understand better when I show you the process. There you will see how you can save it. And when you understand that this is how I save it, you will also understand that, okay, whatever I have saved is only the thing that is going to be considered. Clear browsing history. Do not use mobile phone, use only laptop or desktop. This is what I tell to everyone. Please do not try whatever good, the best mobile you might be having in the market, but don't do choice filling in the mobile phone. The entire screen is not going to be visible. You would not be allowed to do things smoothly. So don't do that. Okay? Okay, fine. So now we have read it and now we clicked on choice filling. While we clicked on that, over here, if you see, there is an option to click here to view choice filling form. Okay? Since you have not done anything over here, that's why it's written as no record present. So what you have to do, you have to click here to view the choice filling form. Click on this particular thing. Now, once you click that, another page is going to open up, which is like this. and where they have mentioned click on college to view college-wise list. So over here, there is an option to click on college and the course. If you click on college, all the colleges that are participating in COMEDK is going to come up. If you click on course, all the courses that are available via COMEDK, that is going to come. Okay. Click on add to add college or basically a course. You can add as many choices. So this and all, I think it will be better if at all I show it to you. So let's go ahead. Okay, let's try by going with college. So suppose I have clicked on college over here. Now here there is something like this. I can just click on this. In that case, all the colleges which are participating are gonna come. And if at all you notice, basically they are being arranged like this in the number of order E201, E202 and like that. Okay, so depending on their college code, they have been arranged over here. Fine. Now what do? Suppose I roll down over here. So what I did is from this particular area, I had taken RVC College of Engineering. I rolled down and basically I chose RVC College of Engineering. The college code for that is E095. It's one of the top colleges. That is why I chose that. Okay, so it's right over here. But I'm only able to see the college. I want to see the courses that is offered in this college. So what do? I click on this. View college or course list. So I've chosen the college. I just have to click on the course list. In that particular case, what is going to happen? All the courses that are available via COMEDK in RVC College of Engineering is going to come like this. Over here, I see RVC College, Aerospace Engineering, Biotechnology, Computer Science and Engineering, Chemical Engineering, and so on and so forth. Now, suppose I want to add them in my list. Okay, I want to add it in my list. So, suppose you are adding this as the first college. So, this is your first preference. Okay, suppose you're adding RVC College, Computer Science and Engineering for the first time. You have not done anything so far. You're just adding it. So, it will be coming at the top. Now, the next college that you add, it will be coming below that. That is how it is going to go. Ma'am, can I change later on? Obviously, there is an option to change as well. I'll show that to you. But the first thing that you have to do is add the course out there. So you have to click on add over here. Once you click on add over here, there is going to be a list that is going to come below this, where the courses that you're going to add up is going to show. You want to see that? Just let me get, okay, just a second. I'll just show that to you. In that case, I think it will be clearer for you. Okay. So basically, this is where you are adding, and this below that, the courses that you have added will be showing up. Now, if at all you want to remove the course, you can remove it. If at all you want to make it go up, okay, you can do that. If at all you want to make it go down, you can click on this particular thing. So you have options to rearrange, you have option to delete as well. So do not be worried about any of it. Okay, fine. Now I got an understanding of that, ma'am. Got it. So I will do that. That's not a problem at all for me. Fine. Then we have to go ahead with what? Okay. So this is how you have to deal if at all you're going college-wise. So some of you might be very much aware about a college and you want to do it college-wise. But some of you might be looking for the course out there. That this is the course I want. And basically, I want to explore all the options that are available for the courses. In which all colleges it is offered, I do not know. I want to check like that. You can do that. But in that case, I'll recommend, since there will be multiple colleges, okay, for the same course. Just seeing the course, you should not be adding it up. You should be researching about the college and then only you should be doing it. While you search college-wise, basically, I think that you might have already researched about the college. In that case, you need to research about the course that you're adding in this college. In RVC, if at all you add some random course out there, you should not think that, okay, every course has good placement. No. Even in top colleges, only the top courses usually have great placements. The other ones have decent placement. I'm not saying no placements at all. Very decent placements. But when you go down the top colleges, okay, when you move to the list from top 10 to top 20, things are going to change. It's written as top because why? Because in COMEDK, there are only a few colleges participating. That's the reason. But you need to do research of whatever you're going to put up there. Please do remember that. Okay. So over here, I've done that. Now I'm going to, this is how I was doing it for the college. Now I'm going to do via the course. Let's see that. So I clicked on the course. Again, the same thing. I come over here. I click on this. There will be n number of courses that are participating via COMEDK that is going to be visible to me. Right? Perfect. Okay. Now, whatever course I want, I'm going to click on that. So, the first course is Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. This is what I'm interested in. So, I'm going to click on that. Once I click on that, and then when I click on view college and course list, what is going to come? Basically all the college starting from the alphabet A and basically all the college code E005. Everything is gonna come whichever college is offering artificial intelligence and data science. Now this is what I said, all the colleges are gonna come. Are you gonna add all the colleges without doing your research? Don't do that. Do your research and then only add. Again, when you add it, it is going to be reflected downside. So you can click on add to put this courses, but I'm telling you with my experience of probably guiding others for COMEDK as well as KCET, while you make the option entry list, your target should not be to make a big list. Your target should be to make a list which you're sure about. The courses and colleges that if at all you get over there via COMEDK, you are going to really be happy getting those colleges and courses. You should be adding only those. Okay, it should not be like I'm getting it. Okay, I have a confusion. Should I go? I really do not want to go to the college or this course. I do not want to take this course. Do not put it in the list. Okay, and I'll tell you, yes, COMEDK has a benefit. You can go ahead with cancellation. Okay, you can cancel your seats after every round, but before round 4. After round 4, you do not have seat cancellation. After every other round, round 1, round 2, round 3, and round 3 would be the last round where you can cancel your seats. So yes, you can do that. But again, you have paid your fee. You have done a lot of things. And the fee also, you know, it's not pretty less amount, right? So after doing all of it, why do you want to cancel the seat? It will be a humongous process. So rather than that, take an informed decision. Take your time to make a proper list. Okay, and then only go ahead. Yes, if you're getting elsewhere and a very nice college and a course, you should be absolutely going ahead and cancelling your seat. But if your scenario is not like that, please make a proper list out there. Okay? Yes. So now going ahead. Yeah. So now we have made the list. Suppose I have made the list over here. What do I have to do? I want to remove the option. I do not want mechanical engineering in BMS college. I want to remove this option. Can I remove that? The option is right over here. I can remove that. Suppose I want to put this at the top. I want to put BMS college, mechanical engineering at the top. Can I do that? Yes. I just have to click on this. It will be automatically going at the top. Okay, got it? This is how I can do the rearrangement process. So please make sure you do that. Okay, you do whatever you want. Go through the entire list that you have made, and finally, after doing it, you have to put a tick mark over here. I have read and understood all the terms and conditions mentioned in the COMEDK counseling process document and agree to abide by the same. And over here, they have given a link for the counseling document as well. If you're very lazy to find it or probably read it, there is a video that I have done on COMEDK counseling process. You can watch that. Or if you have any doubt or if you want me to remake a video, I can do that. Put it down in the comment section. Okay. And finally, it's written over here. Please click on save button after every change that you make in your choice filling. So I had made a change. I had moved this particular thing up and down, save. If I did other way, save. Okay, whatever I want to do, make sure you click on save, have that habit. As I said, the saved one is going to be the one that is going to be there. If you're not saving it, it is not going to be there. So put a tick mark over here, save. In that case, whatever small changes you're doing, that also would be there. Now, finally, so yes. Now click on the save button once you are ready with your list. And once you do that, they will be asking you, are you sure to save your college and course preferences? If yes, okay. If not, cancel and then make your changes and come back over there, put the tick mark, save, and then okay. But you have to do it. And this is what they were trying to tell you. Okay. So they were trying to tell you this particular thing only. Over here, when I said about the, what do you say, candidates, only the saved preferences will be considered. By that, I mean this. You have to click on the save button, click on OK, and then it is going to be considered. Now, you naturally might have a doubt that, as I said, I cleared that doubt before only, but still, again, I'm putting back. Can I re-edit until 13th of July, 4 p.m.? Until 13th of July. That means, basically, before that, can I re-edit my options? Yes, you can do that as many number of times as you want. Okay. And make sure you hit on the save button. If you have not hit on the save button, the last made changes are not going to be registered. So do that. And for that, what do you have to do? Again, log in, go here with choice filling. And here you would be able to see round 1 and view option. So basically round 1, don't be scared. It's mock allotment only. As of now, choice filling is for mock allotment. Okay, just click on view option. Once you click on view option, this will be coming. So whatever options that you have put up, this would be coming in. So what do you have to do? I have to go with edit preferences, and I can just edit my preferences. If you want to see your preferences, just go with preview and print. That is how you have to do it. I hope that is sorted. I hope that makes things clearer for you. But again, as I said, if you have any doubts, put it down in the comment section. We are here to help you out. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well.